First of all, good morning to all. Respected our Principal Madam Bandana Gogoi Bora Maido, and my dear colleagues and my beloved students. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day. We know Teachers' Day is celebrated on September 5 every year. On the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, on this day, we honor our teachers and express our gratitude. Today, a student gives roses, books, pens to their teachers and distribute chocolate also. We know teacher is our unsung heroes in our life. Their values and teaching have us built our personalities and culture. My dear students, today you celebrate this day with someone who has taught you important life lessons. And everyone knows Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan said, teachers should be the best mind in the country. Dear students, we know with the guidance and encouragement of our teachers, a student can overcome any obstacle in life. So, we must follow, we must respect, we must obey the rule and regulation of the institutions and teachers. So, my dear students, at last, once again, all the best, all of you, and thank you. Enough.